Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some things, showing you some of my recent purchases, because I have purchased on my own. Amazing. But let's just go with two of the monthly subscriptions that I got, because they're smaller. I don't, they don't get their own video or anything. But the first thing we're going to do is unbox my ear fleek. Now they do send it in an envelope, and then also in a bubble mailer. I feel like they could just get away with this, but whatever. So, little bubble mailer, comes in a little pouch. Sometimes it comes with a card that you can give a free month away. I did not get that this month. They look like little globes. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, they're little itty bitty globes. I don't know how to explain that. They look like they're filled with little itty bitty beads or little bubbles. Okay, and this one I don't think I've ever unboxed before on my channel. Unbox. Anyways, this is Knotty Knickers, so this is a subscription that you get underwear. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, you get 3 pairs of underwear, and I forget what it costs every month. Let's look it up right now. I know ear fleek is, I think, $5.99. Okay, so for Knotty Knickers, it looks like you can actually choose 1, 2, or 3 undies per package. So I have the 3. So it's $3.99 per underwear. So is it super cheap? No, but underwear is kind of costly. I think I have the no thongs one. But so they come in little packages like this, it's cheap, whatever. I get extra larges. But they're nice, they're comfortable. Cute. Ooh. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know if you can see this fabric. Look at that. That's hilarious. So, underwear. Ooh, this one's got a lot of extra fuzzies on it. Just like a nice light teal color. So cool. I got undies. Okay, so those are my 2 monthly subscriptions. Now we're going to go into stuff that I bought. I actually got an order from Colourpop. Yeah, I did it. I did the thing. We'll do single stuff first. So I did get these Boss Witch Hocus Pocus lashes off Colourpop. I didn't buy any of the Hocus Pocus stuff when it came out. I didn't like the palette. I didn't like the look of the palette. I don't think that it was Hocus Pocus inspired, except for the packaging. So, if they re-release it with better colors that match more to the movie, hell yeah, I'll buy it. But I can't pass up something that says Boss. Boss. Okay, and the next thing I got was one of the, I believe, is it called the Black Collection? I don't remember, but this is one of the Super Shock blushes from that collection. I can open it. Just a super fun, funky color there. I love it. And then from the Limoncello collection, I got a shadow stick. I think it says Style and Tease, so maybe that is the name. Style and Ease. But it's a bluish color. Oh, come on, open up. I think I already used them on my hands yesterday, and it's hard to wash off, but there's the blue on the bottom of my hand there. Okay, and then I got this palette, In A Trance. There we go. So it is blue, pink, and I'm not going to say white, but definitely silver, pearly sparkles. Well, and yeah, purple. And purple. So that is nice. I really like that. Okay, and then the collections I got. So I got one of the little Bambi collections. And I'm going to pull another palette out actually because of one of the colors in here. And I'm not going to say the name of this palette. We're pulling out this palette. Haven't brought myself to destroy it yet. I thought I was going to, but there's a color in here I want to compare to a color in the Bambi palette. So for this Bambi collection, this is the Flower collection. And this is a gel pencil that we got. I was a little surprised that this one wasn't sold out. This is the purple colored collection. Okay, so there's the eyeliner, the purple there above the blue. Very creamy, very nice. And then we got a lip gloss. I already tried all this. There's my computer, so shut up. Just a nice iridescent type of gloss. Smells very nice, like candy or something, but it doesn't taste like anything. Okay, and then the Flower palette. Gotta love the little skunk on there. Oh my gosh, so cute. I don't even remember the name. It's been that long since I've seen it. Okay, and this is the Color Story. I'm sure you've probably seen this on other channels if you've been interested in this, but it's this black color that I'm interested in. I had no idea that this was black with purple reflex, so it very much reminded me of this color, which was a major disappointment. Executioner from this palette. So I'm going to swatch side by side, and the reason I say disappointment in that palette was because that's really the only reason I bought this palette, because I've never seen a color like that. And when I went to use it, and almost everyone else too, the glitter in it faded away and it performed just like a matte black. And I've seen people do videos with this. I had no idea either that, I guess, maybe they just didn't talk about it, that it was like this, or what, I don't know. So I have to try it for myself, but I'm gonna just swatch just the black colors real fast, see what they're like, see how they look on my fingers, on my swatched on my hand. So I'm super interested. I don't know if Colourpop's done a color like this before. Alright, so I just swatched the unnamed one, and now I'm going to go for the Colourpop one. I'm just going to look at it in the light first. So I think the Colourpop one is actually cooler. Like, the matte black that it looks like they use is cooler. And maybe the unnamed one is like, I don't know about necessarily warm, but the tone looks different, and I don't know if you can tell. But so the top one, try to guess which one, and then let me know in the comments down below which one you think it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, anyways, yeah, let me know which one you think is which. But the top one is actually the Colourpop, and the bottom one is the unnamed one. They look so similar. Good on you, Colourpop. Good on you. I don't know if I planned it that way, but now it just remains to see how good Colourpop's color 1 performs. Okay, let's move you aside. Nice. Cool, cool. Okay, I'm just going to put that aside. I'm not going to swatch the rest because I got a lot to go over here. And the video is already 11 minutes long. Okay, next we have, so this is a collection with the Fade Into Hue palette. Ooh, this was the only way I could get the palette. I finally wanted to buy it. So we do have a volumizing mascara in a blue color. I want to say this collection was like $50-something. We have a Super Shock cheek in the color Growth Flirt. We have a Luxe Gloss, another Luxe Gloss in Dream Queen. Let's see what that, I don't know if I actually looked at this one. Okay, so that's a nice color, nice neutrally I don't know, peachy color, I guess. Okay, and then of course the Fade Into Hue packaging. Oh, it's that nice, like, kind of slippery, I don't know, weird feeling. And then it's got names on the back. And the palette also has the names on the back, and the back is raised a little bit. And there's the front of the palette. Why did I think this was going to be bigger? For some reason I thought this was going to be much bigger of a palette. But no mirror. And then you have all those gorgeous colors. Yeah. Super nice. Very, very nice. And it actually has some really nice shimmers in here, like, what is it? This blue right here, that yellow, and this pink one right here. They're like chunky, kind of reflective, and they're cool. I really like them. I don't know if they're like super shocks or not. I kind of swatched them a little bit yesterday. I didn't really play much. But so they were having a sale. It was one of those 21 days of Ulta sales. Yeah. So anyways, I got 3 Urban Decay primers because I think they were, what, $12 each? Yeah. So I got a regular one, I have an anti-aging one, and then I have one in the name Sin, so I don't know if that's maybe a different base color. And then, I kind of talked about 1 or 2 of these before. I ended up ordering 2 more. Because I am a terrible person. Let me put together the ones that I bought first. Right? So I bought these 2 Jaclyn Hill blush bronzer duos, and the colors of the first one, the Pink Me Up and the Oh Honey, were very light. And I also bought Hot Lava and Cocoa Rich when I went to the store because I was like, why not? Well, I ordered 2 more. So I have like half the collection. This one is Lilac Love and Top Fan, and then Be Rouge and Espresso Shot. I got a lot. Okay, so this is the one I used before. This is the Pink Me Up and Oh Honey. And they did work. It's just they're super light. And, you know, if that's what she was going for, that's cool. But, you know what? I mean, they're super light. If you're going to pay that much for a product that doesn't work that well, or is designed to not work that well, save your money and get something cheaper, girl. But so this is the Hot Lava and Cocoa Rich. This is like one of the darkest ones they have. And then this one, I wanted this because this is cool toned, I guess, but this is the other lightest one. This is Lilac Love and Top Fan. And then this is one of the other darker ones. This is Be Rouge and Espresso Shot. And I like that. Oh, I like that blush. It's so pretty. I love that. I can't wait to try that one out. Probably try that one out later today. So yes, okay, now I'm done. Now I'm done showing the latest stuff that I bought, and I'm waiting on something from P. Louise. They had a really great sale. I got stuff half off. Oh, I'm so excited for that. And I think that's all I'm waiting on. So anyways, now that's the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Each of these sets I think are going to have their own video because of course I'm making a video every day, so why not? So thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm going to have my video to my giveaway listed in the corner there. I believe this is the last day to enter and giving away some great free stuff. And thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. If you could do me one favor, give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your day is going, and I would love to have you as a subscriber if you haven't already. Thanks so much, and I'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.